Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to transfer a Google Sheet from one Google account to another, maybe you're switching jobs, managing a project handoff, or just organizing your digital life, you're absolutely in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to move your important spreadsheet seamlessly, ensuring your data lands safely in its new home. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheet file that you want to transfer. This part's pretty straightforward, but make sure you're logged into the original Google account that owns the file. It's easy to get mixed up if you use multiple accounts, so just double check you're in the right one before we go any further. Think of this step like unlocking the front door before inviting someone into your house. You need to be inside the file as the owner to hand it off. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen for the Share button. It's pretty prominent, usually a blue rectangle with Share written on it. When you click it, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you're going to type the email address of the Google account you want to transfer the sheet to. Make sure you enter the correct email. Typos here could send access to the wrong person, so take a second to double check. Once you've typed in that email, go ahead and give them editor access so they can fully open and interact with the file. Then, click the Send or Share button to invite your other account. Now here's an essential step that people sometimes overlook. You'll need to log into the other Google account, the one you just invited, and actually open the Google Sheet. Either open the link from the email notification or just track it down in your Google Drive. This proves to Google that this new account has accepted the invite and confirms it can access the sheet. If you're helping someone else transfer ownership to their account, tell them to make sure they open the file before moving on. Once you've opened it from the new account, switch back to your original Google account and open the sheet once more. Go back to that Share button in the top right corner. This is like coming back to the guest list after your friend has shown up, making sure everything's in order before you hand over the keys. In the sharing window, you should now see the newly invited account listed among people who have access to the sheet. Over to the right, there's a small drop-down menu next to their name. Click on that. Here you'll see a few options, but the one you want is Transfer Ownership. Go ahead and select it. A pop-up might appear just confirming that you really want to transfer ownership. It's a big step, so Google makes sure by asking you to double-check. When you're ready, hit Done. That's it. You've now officially handed over the Google Sheet to another account. If this was your work file, think of it like handing over the baton in a relay. Now the other person or your new account has full control and responsibility. Don't worry if any part of this process takes a few moments. Google might need a little time to update the permissions, especially if it's a large file or if your internet connection is a bit slow. And if you accidentally miss a step, no problem, just retrace your steps and try again. The important thing is that ownership isn't transferred until you see that confirmation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.